Creating a non-chargeable service item is a useful way to track services provided without applying charges to your clients. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the Admin tab on the left-hand menu. This will automatically open your service list. A non-chargeable service item is useful for scheduling something like a meet and greet or follow-up visit where you don't want clients to be able to book it themselves in the client portal, and there is no charge for the service. Click Add New to create a new service item. In this example, we use the short description follow-up. Normally, we use a description that makes sense to our clients, as it would usually appear in their portal. However, in this instance, it won't. We can still enter something that makes sense to us or our staff. For our example, we'll use the long description follow-up visit. Click Create New Service Item. For this example, you can change the group to Admin. We'll discuss service item groups in more depth in another video. Click Update to save your changes and then select the Advanced menu. In the Advanced menu, you'll see a variety of options that you can toggle on and off for this service. We'll explain each of these options and how they affect your services in a separate video. One top tip to keep in mind is the Show More chevrons at the top of the page. These appear on most pages in PetSitter Plus, and if you click them, a brief help guide will expand to provide more information about the items on that page or direct you to further support articles. For this service, you want to make sure that the active toggle is turned on so the service is available to schedule. Turn off Show in Portal so clients won't be able to see it to book. Next, turn on the option for non-chargeable service. This will ensure that the follow-up visit appears in everyone's schedules, but won't be included on the client invoice, as it's a complimentary service. You also have an additional option nested under non-chargeable service, which becomes available once that is toggled on. The internal service setting can be enabled if you want the service to show on your staff's schedules, but not on the client's. Click Update at the top once you have made these changes. Returning to the General tab, you'll notice that the client charge is now grayed out with an explanation. This is because the service has been marked as non-chargeable. You can still add a staff pay amount if you choose to compensate your staff for providing a service that is not billed to the client. And that's it! You have successfully created a non-chargeable service item in PetSitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.